fail.
Does it back up or what?
I don't even know. Do you think you might have...
What's going on here?
Something must be wrong. Never mind about that.
I don't know.
There we go. Oh yes. This only goes a little bit. Yep. Look, there's a car wash brush right there. I'm gonna talk over the music because I didn't want to get a copyright infringement. That's true. If you look at what they have here, that's totally good. Look at this system. It's probably spraying a pre-soak rinse. They're getting ready for that. Yeah, the pre-soak starting up is right now. Here it comes. This is true. And I like that part of it too. My God, what was that?
Wheel.
Alright, now the touch-free is starting to come. I think that's a great motor.
It has a sort of ethereal vibe that just easily transports your mind as you listen. More than alt music discovery, it's
The vibes are just so on point, and it always gets me in a good mood.
a whole vibe.
This thing moves slow. Again, there's the car wash brush right there. There's water flying all over. It's starting to clear up a bit. If you look forward, there's a new Aldi grocery store being built. I don't think there's any blue. But alright. It smells like bubblegum. I think cherry. lot of water flying everywhere in the garage. And the fans are slightly removed. Hopefully,
Check out my favorite sweater weather songs on the
hopefully you don't crash when you get out. See, look at that. We got a minute left. Get 90 seconds to make that thing. Alright. Looks like the Aldi store is getting close to being done.